Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to check for system updates on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap Software Update, System, or System Update, depending on your device. Then, tap Check for Updates, Download and Install, or Check Now. Your phone will connect to the update server and search for the latest system update available for your device. If a new update is available, you'll see information about the latest software version, including any new features, improvements, or security updates. Tap Download to begin downloading the update. It's recommended to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure your phone has enough battery before starting the download. Once the download is complete, tap Install Now, restart and install, or update to begin the installation process. Your phone will restart automatically while installing the update. This may take several minutes, so be patient and avoid turning off your device during the process. If your phone says it's already up to date, you're already using the latest software version available for your device. Checking for updates regularly helps keep your phone secure, improves performance, fixes software bugs, and gives you access to the latest Android features. That's all. You've successfully checked for system updates on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.